What's up, chico? Hombre? Essay?
Hola.
Alright, I have reason to believe that you were jealous of Mr. Kenneth Noisewater, thus putting you a suspect in this case.
Okay.
So, what can you tell me? What can you tell me about Mr. Gunther?
Well, Gunther was the cameraman at our studio. That's about it.
And?
Well, he would go out with Kenneth all the time for lunch breaks and after work. They seemed a little close. Maybe too close?
So describe the relationship.
They seemed to be friends when they were together, but once Kenneth got on the stage and he was doing his thing, he would always, Gunther would always give him weird stares. I don't know why.
So he was doing stuff that was malicious, as in weird stares, and like...
Yeah, it seemed like if he was jealous of him.
Okay.
Anything else?
Hold on. One more question. During the autopsy, we found a high level of hydrogen molecules in Mr. Kenneth Noisewater's body. What do you have to say about that?
Well, I don't know, but I ran a story on it a couple of years back, and we found out that hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe. Did you know that?
No, I didn't.
Well, yeah, if it helps. But...
Okay. Thank you for your time.
Yes? Do you have an appointment? I suppose. Who are you?
Hey.
Oh, hello, Inspector.
Hey.
Wasn't expecting to see you around here so soon again.
I know. Hey, I know some things were said before.
They were.
And, you know, we got a little bit into an argument, but, you know, this is my job, right?
Yeah.
It's my job. So, hey,
just so we're clear first, I'm cleared of all charges.
Yeah, you're good.
Implicated in any way. I will not be re-involved in the investigation.
You're good.
Just checking.
But, yo, my friend, Mr. Vladimir Vladislav, sent me this, this results, but I don't know what it says.
The results of the victim's autopsy.
Of course.
My brother's autopsy.
Okay, so, I need you to, tell me what the hell's going on here.
You need me to explain the science behind the murder.
Yeah.
You came to the right place, my friend.
Alright.
Let's see what we got here.
Tell me what's going on.
Looks here like your friend Vladimir was analyzing the blood, and he found out that there was a high concentration of hydrogen in his blood. That's really unusual.
Really?
That shouldn't be there. But since hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe, making up 98% of all matter in the universe, it's really not surprising that hydrogen was involved somehow.
What?
Hydrogen is very abundant.
Oh, it is? Okay.
I'll go on. Your friend has more. You did know that my brother was addicted to heroin, didn't you?
Yeah, I'm aware that he was addicted to it.
Okay. Moving on, looks like your friend found that the hydronium ion concentration in my brother's blood was 10 to the negative 2 moles per liter. So if we use a negative log formula to calculate pH, we find out that this sample had a pH of 2, which is extremely acidic. That's a lot of acid. It must have been building up for a while. Your friend has a lot of info here. Tests of the blood revealed that it had a molar mass. The compound in the blood had a molar mass of 36.46 grams per mole. Since we know it's an acid, hydrogen is involved, so the formula of the acid is HX. So X is an unknown element. We have to find out what that element could be. The molar mass of X must be 36.46 minus 1.01, because 1.01 is the molar mass of hydrogen.
Oh, okay.
So if we take that away, we find the molar mass of X, element X. And that gives us 35.45 grams per mole as the molar mass of element X. And if we look at our periodic table, we'll see that something that has a molar mass of 35.45 grams is chlorine. So the acid in his blood was hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. The one and only. In the 500 milliliter sample of blood, 5.85 grams of the acid was found. The concentration, we can find the concentration. This will help us out a lot. It can be found using the equation C equals N over V. So we have to know the moles. And the volume, I'm going right ahead. Nothing
Go
can
ahead,
stop
buddy.
me.
Come on.
Science
Yes.
just gets me going.
Go.
Just gets me going.
Just gets you going, right?
So since we already know the volume of this sample, that's a controlled variable, we have to find out what the moles are.
Alright, keep going, man.
So the 5.85 gram sample. Stop telling me to keep going, I will.
Okay.
I will.
Okay, keep going.
Don't stop me. 5.85 grams divided by the molar mass of hydrochloric acid, which is 36.46,
Right.
gives us a mole value of 0.16 moles.
Okay.
Alright,
Yeah.
so using the equation C equals M over V, we find that the moles, 0.16, divided by the volume, 0.5 liters, gives us 0.32 moles per liter as the concentration of the acid in his blood. This is really useful because it tells me that we can only find this acid in one place. Here.
The spot.
Chemical spot. So I don't know what this means, but it does mean that whoever killed your man got the acid
Stop.
from the chemical
From
spot.
here. Oh,
Should narrow down your search.
okay.
Alright. And last science. The hydrogen in the victim's blood was building in pressure. So that means that he was slowly being given this acid over a long period of time. If it wasn't given to him all at once, he wasn't poisoned at once.
That's preposterous.
This is preposterous. How could you even do that?
I know.
I don't know.
Keep going,
Hopefully
man.
I'll
Don't
figure
let me
it
stop
out.
you. Don't let me stop you.
So all our work that we just did here found that there were 0.6 moles of hydrogen chloride at 298 degrees Kelvin in 0.5 liters of his blood. Therefore, the pressure was, using the ideal gas law, PV equals nRT, 792.8 kilopascals.
Whoa. Slow this brain train down.
Yes, come to a stop.
So that would mean it's 4 times more than the human body can handle.
Pretty much. I have no idea how that's even possible, actually.
Okay.
That's ridiculous. It was like it was made by some student or something.
Well, yo, thank you for your time.
You're very welcome. I hope I helped you out. Good luck with the investigation. How are we doing this? I'm a scientist. I need to be taken seriously.
Hey, Gunther. I need to talk to you.
Oh, I'm out.
You did it, didn't you?
Oh my God.
You did it,
Don't
didn't you?
hurt me.
Admit to it.
Ow, you're hurting me.
You killed Mr. Kenneth Noisewater,
Okay,
didn't
I
you?
did. Stop hurting me. Police brutality.
How did you do it?
Ow, I put acid in his heroin. I was jealous of his fame. Ah, stop hurting me.
Genius.
I know, right? It's fabulous. You want to let go of me? My face is starting to hurt. I just exfoliated.
A tame domestic goose.